So the question here is DIY kits, do-it-yourself kits, do they work? Can they fix the dent in my car? The truth is that there are some that you can fix dents in your car. However, it's never as easy as they say it is. In fact, there are some kits that use similar tools and techniques that we would use to fix dents here professionally, but the problem is it's the hands who it's in and who's using it and knowing how to use it. We don't recommend doing it. It usually winds up costing the customers more money for us to straighten it out after the fact. If you're gonna buy one and gonna attempt one, make sure you do it on a car that you can afford to maybe make a mistake on or two. Our technicians go through years and years and years of training and thousands and tens of thousands of dents to get to the level where they can actually work on your cars. So just FYI, we don't recommend it, but if you're gonna do it, maybe do it on your kid's car or an older car before you try it on your $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 car.